yeah, make sure y'all hit that like button. Let me see if they hitting that like button. I'm gonna try to get it up there by myself. I'm hitting the like button. Let's hit that like button on TikTok, y'all. Where my like button hitters at? Y'all be tapping that screen. I got it in the screen tappers in it. Be hitting that like button like that. Where them like button hitters at? Like. Yeah. Okay, somebody out there hitting that like button. Somebody down there hitting that like button. Drastic Wolf said it was buffering. My bad, Drastic Wolf. Boy, that thing good still. That Sprite. I'm gonna have to go back there and get another charge in a minute. Yeah, that's what I'm at. I think this is a good time. This is a good time. Look out, huh? What happened?
Hey, he said he wants to get a tune with ET.
With ET? Oh, nah, don't go there, man. Go somewhere else, man. All the people in the whole wide world, unless you want to get got.
He needs a good tuner. What you recommend?
Anywhere else, you might as well. It's like you experimenting.
A lot of people and shit,
man, really ain't nobody no good. They all doing something bad, but hell, he just doing a little bit worse. I ain't, let me see, Sam Miller. That's where you supposed to be trying to take this. Sam Miller. AMP. Yeah.
I think we don't want to leave the car there for months.
He don't do no months. He don't even like doing it. He's same day. Yeah, AMP. Go to AMP. He gonna have you right. Shift points gonna be good.
That's what we need because this bitch is running slow.
Yeah. Go to AMP. inspected, right? Yeah. Who is it tuned by? Dakota? Split? Oh, okay. Huh? Y'all think gonna win this one? Right lane for the win. Right lane. TikTok was wrong. It was a close race too, y'all. That was a super close race. That was a super close race. That was close. Okay. Got this Jeep. Hey, look out, I'm betting with you, man. I'm betting with you.
It's SRT.
Yeah, man. I already got a $100 bet, so I'm betting with you. Chevy.